Is the enthusiasm for environmental care and reducing harmful emissions waning? Today, we are going to discuss why EV makers demand gas cars back. Welcome back to yet another video of Evolution Tech. So let's begin. Even with GMC's promotion of its new 2024 Hummer EV SUV, starting at a hefty $80,000 and boasting a 329-mile range on a full battery charge, Reuters reports that the demand for electric vehicles is falling short of expectations. In October 2023, Honda and General Motors decided to terminate their $5 billion partnership aimed at developing more affordable EVs. GM explained this move as a strategy to enhance the profitability of our EV portfolio and adjust to slowing near-term growth. Ford has also recently announced a delay in its EV production timeline due to slower customer demand. This trend is catching the attention of investors, and automakers are finding themselves facing unexpected challenges. The hesitation in the electric vehicle market is not due to a lack of consumer interest, as both buyers and climate activists share a desire for EVs that offer both environmental benefits and relief at the gas pump. According to the Cox Automotive Report, EV sales set a record by surpassing 300,000 units in the US during Q3 2023. However, several complex factors are contributing to a challenging landscape for auto manufacturers. The current slowdown in demand is a result of economic uncertainties and the looming impact of high interest rates. The uncertainty about whether interest rates will increase or decrease adds an extra layer of complexity, further driving up the prices of already expensive EVs. This creates a double challenge for consumers, as the decision to purchase a car is heavily influenced by the affordability of the monthly payment, coupled with other factors affecting their household budget. As succinctly highlighted by the Buzz EV News, the essential raw materials for electric vehicle batteries, specifically lithium and cobalt, are not readily available, and around 90% of the EV battery supply chain is concentrated in China. This poses significant challenges for U.S. auto manufacturers seeking efficient and profitable production, especially considering the industry's desire to avoid a recurrence of the auto microchip shortage experienced during the pandemic. Given our 5 decades of experience at USCCG in navigating the impacts of supply, demand, and economic factors across various industries, we are actively engaged in addressing these challenges. Our involvement spans the entire battery supply chain, covering aspects from mining to metals to the manufacturing of batteries. Here's our current assessment of how these issues are unfolding. The current Inflation Reduction Act allocates billions of dollars in government loans to support the construction of EV battery plants in the U.S. It also includes a $7,500 tax credit for individuals purchasing U.S.-made EVs and earmarks $7.5 billion for establishing a network of charging stations across the country. Rental company Hertz Global Holdings, HTZO, is selling approximately 20,000 electric vehicles, including Teslas, from its U.S. fleet, signaling a shift away from electric vehicles amid what appears to be a decline in demand. This move comes around 2 years after a deal with Tesla to offer its vehicles for rent. Hertz has decided to focus on gas-powered vehicles, citing higher expenses related to collision and damage for EVs. Despite initially aiming to convert 25% of its fleet to electric by the end of 2024, Hertz's CEO, Stephen Scher, acknowledged challenges with increased costs for EVs, particularly Teslas. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below.